The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.